Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ramen better at home. The foundation of any great ramen is its broth, so let's start there. Begin with a high-quality base, whether it's store-bought or homemade. To truly elevate it, simmer aromatics like fresh ginger and garlic for at least 30 minutes. A dash of soy sauce and mirin will deepen the umami, and a spoonful of miso paste can add a wonderful creamy, savory finish. These simple steps will transform your broth. Next, let's talk about the noodles and essential toppings. Always cook your ramen noodles separately from the broth to ensure they don't get mushy. A quick rinse after cooking helps remove excess starch, giving them a better texture. For toppings, a perfect soft-boiled egg, cooked for precisely 6.5 minutes, is a must. Don't forget fresh scallions, a sheet of nori, and some thinly sliced, tender pork belly to complete your bowl. Now, let's explore some advanced flavor boosters that can truly make your ramen sing. For those who enjoy a bit of heat, a drizzle of 1 teaspoon of chili oil adds a fantastic spicy kick. A half teaspoon of fragrant sesame oil introduces a wonderful nutty aroma. For an extra layer of richness and depth, consider incorporating a small amount of butter. Finally, a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds provides a delightful textural contrast and visual appeal. Finally, the art of assembling and serving your perfect bowl of ramen. A crucial step is to warm your serving bowls beforehand. This helps keep your ramen hot longer. First, arrange the perfectly cooked noodles in the bowl, then gently pour in your rich, flavorful broth. Carefully place all your delicious toppings, ensuring an appealing presentation. Remember, ramen is best enjoyed immediately, so serve it right away to savor every warm, comforting bite.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.